Monitoring the cyber posture, visibility status of critical assets, and keeping track of approved and validated patches from various automation vendors is crucial for secure operation. Patches are the first line of defense against cyber attacks. Introducing REPLIL Industrial Patch Manager, IPM, powered by artificial intelligence, compliant to IEC 62443 SL3 and secure development lifecycle. Manage cyber posture state of multiple operating systems by automation vendors, Windows, Linux, network asset. REPLIL IPM uses agentless techniques, offering real-time visibility of validated patches from different automation vendors, centralized validated patches insight, vulnerabilities management and risk rating, automatically test the patches in sandbox, reduce operational challenges using artificial intelligence engine, AI, customized reporting and dashboards with enhanced SOC visibility, compliance and KPI tracking, multi-OEM management with dedicated role-based access control, restrict read/write permissions or apply multi-factor authentication, manage patches by computer and groups, install, uninstall or assign deadline, monitor computers and groups installation status. Manage OEM patches in a dedicated menu. Identify patches by OEM product or operating system, validated patches by OEM recommendation. Identify associated vulnerabilities and risk score. Additional insights to reduce operational challenges. REPLIL provides centralized automation vendor, cyber posture status and KPI tracking, endpoints posture status, validated patches by criticality, timelines by patches, compliance and KPI monitoring, risk rating. Actionable insights as per the validated patches and group by asset types. Prioritize OEM critical systems by risk rating. Get detailed assets inventory and lifecycle information, hardware, software, powered by artificial intelligence engine to reduce operational overhead and automatically rectify the patch infrastructure errors. Provides additional assurances by testing the patches in the OT patch sandbox. Track critical information, detailed logging, monitor critical services and registry values. Create custom dashboards as per operational needs. Add new dashboards. Add new widgets, charts, grids, cards. Use powerful queries against the database. Import/export the dashboards. REPLIL Industrial Patch Manager is equipped with tools built for the operational challenges. Monitor compliance. Assign tickets with customized workflow. Powerful reporting. Contact us for a safe operational network.